Hello everyone, my name is John Mark J. Balot and this is my PETA in oral communication. The people we love are the true treasures of life, offering a light that can brighten even our darkest days. When you think of your loved one, it's not just the big moments that stand out. It's the little things that shared laughs and laughs, the quiet comfort, the knowing loves that speak more than words ever could. Their presence is like a steady flame, always there to guide you through the uncertainties of the world, a constant reminder that no matter what happens, you are not alone. Loving someone means sharing your vulnerabilities, your dreams, and your fears, knowing that in their eyes, you are enough just as you are. It's in the way they remember the details you forgot, how they show up when you need them most, even without you asking. It's in the way they care for you on the hardest days and celebrate your victories as if they were their own too. Through thick and thin, they remind you that love is not just a word, it's an action, a choice, and a commitment to standing beside you in both the light and the shadow. Life with loved ones is not always perfect, but it's real. There will be challenges, misunderstanding, and moments of frustration, but those are the times when love truly shows its power. It's in the forgiveness, in the willingness to try again, in the unconditional support that remains unshaken despite the trials. No matter how, no matter how much time passes or how many miles separate us, the bond we share with those we love is timeless. They shape who we are, anchor us that what truly matters, and fill our lives with purpose. Purpose to love someone deeply is one of the greatest privilege of life, and it's that love that endures, grows, and enriches us in way that nothing else can. So guys, that's my PETA in oral communication. I hope you understand.